with hydrogen today, not helium, which is wonderful. Not only is it a tenth the cost, but it's renewable, because you can just run the electricity through water and make hydrogen all day long. Helium, on the other hand, is not. Helium was first discovered because people looked at that thing up there. They didn't know it existed on this planet. It's alpha particle. It's a part of nuclear decay, helium ion. So we only discovered it on this planet once we started pulling oil out of the ground and natural gas, because there's this weird other thing in with it. So it is non-renewable. It's a limited resource. We want to save it for the super collider and cool stuff like that. Now, honestly, the most dangerous part of this whole thing is the fact that we've got a tank with 2100 psi of anything. If you watch Mythbusters, you'll know that will go through cinder block walls like crazy anyway. We've got it aimed off to this side. We transport it with the cover on and all of that. Hydrogen itself is invisible when it burns. We're going to do some extra precautions. You know how you put on gloves when dealing with a balloon? You never pinch the balloon. You only use the palm and stuff like that. I've got cotton gloves here instead of latex gloves, just because nobody will want melted latex all over their body. So again, we're going to keep everybody who's non-essential far back. I've got a fire extinguisher over there. I've got a fire blanket over here if we have any problems. I'll put a little piece of paper around the valves here. Again, when it burns, it's invisible, so that if I put some paper around it and that catches fire, hey, it'll be visible. We'll know what's going on there. Honestly, I've been doing a lot of launches with hydrogen. As long as you keep your mind about you, it's fine. The biggest concern is getting oxygen in with it. So we're going to be using an empty balloon, and we're going to be filling it with 99.9%, which is this industrial grade hydrogen. So in theory, in the balloon itself, even if there was static electricity inside the balloon, there's not enough oxygen to do anything about it. It's when it mixes you have to worry about it.